software. In this video, we will understand how to manage branch hierarchy in Genome software. So to make branch hierarchy active, you need to set up a setting in master setup setting, and you have to make filter data on branch hierarchy, set it to yes. Then also make sure whenever you create the branch, you need to select the proper branch where you have to work. And then master setup branch hierarchy, you can create the branches and work accordingly. Creation of branches is logical activity. You have to define how you have to create the branches. So for example, you can create a geographical branch. For example, country, state, district, taluka, place if you have any, then village and self-help group 1, 2, or you can create any group actually and then map customer to the group. It is not necessary that uh, this has to work only in case of group loans. In case of personal loan also, you have to make sure that you are mapping your customer to a specific group, physical group, so that uh, management of the customers will be easy. So next thing is, if you consider if anything below the group, then group will become as a branch. For example, let's say I create India, then India is my group because there is nothing under India. If I create state under India, India will become a branch. This will become group. If I create district, then this will become a branch. This will become a group. If I create, let's say, uh, group 1, then this will become branch and this will become group. Then group 2. If my groups are increasing in such a way that I want to segregate further, then now let's say your groups are created. Now you want to keep 5 groups in further branch. So let's say if you want to do this way, that your this 5 groups should belong to north branch, and this 5 should belong to, so let's say, south branch. So how will you do it? Knowing the fact that you already created groups, you map the customers to the group. So how will you do remapping of the groups to branch and vice versa? So let's see with one small example. I have Pune mapped to Tamil Nadu, which is incorrectly mapped. And if I see the group, I have customers already mapped to Pune group. And now I want to move Pune to some other branch. So I can search group and select here branching and map it to correct branch. Now if I go and see here branch hierarchy, this is mapped correctly under Maharashtra. Now let's say if I want to map Pune to Goa, for example. So Goa branch is not created, so I can create one under India. I click here and Goa. But Goa has become group now. How can I make it branch? Because I can map any group under branch. So for that I can create one dummy group. Let's say dummy group or any name, anything I can give. Now Goa has become a branch and this is a group. I click save. I go back to Pune group and map it to Goa. Let me see where is the Goa here. Okay, Goa may not be showing here because it's created newly branch. I need to select and remap this because new branch is created under global. Let's set this branch, click close, and let's try again. So I can see Goa branch here. I map Pune to Goa. Now if I go back to branch hierarchy, now if I see Pune is mapped to Goa. Whatever dummy group we created, we can delete that dummy group later on. Okay, after this conversion is done. And important thing is the customers which were mapped to Pune, they are still mapped to Pune only. So they are not changed anywhere. But if you create any group under Pune, then whatever customers mapped to Pune will be will cannot be remapped. I mean, you'll have to manually go and map one by one customer. So you'll have to be careful that before you map any group, if you create or convert any group to branch, if any customer mapped to that group, you need to first move those customers to a temporary group. And after remapping, then you'll have to change. For example, let's say I want to make Pune as a branch. Okay. If I create anything just below Pune, then this will become a branch and I cannot map customers to a branch. So what I'll have to do, I'll have to move all Pune customers to dummy group and then basically make Pune as a group. Okay, so let's see if I can do that. Let's see. Let me try actually. I never tried this approach, but as I discussed, let's see if it's possible or not. So here Pune, I select this and new group. And in new group, I can select dummy group here, update, and let's see. Actually, I should see those customers mapped to dummy group. Due to new group, dummy group transfer. Are you sure to transfer all customers from Pune to dummy group? Yes. Customers Pune 10 and dummy group 49. Now why 10? There may be some other reasons for like why 10 customers are not getting migrated. This may be because this may be we might have mapped some through some other approach. Okay, let's see. And if I go here and see view members, so there's no member here. Maybe they might have mapped, because this is a testing environment, they might have mapped before I cleaned the space or cleaned the system actually. Okay, so we that is fine, we can skip that. Now if I go to dummy group and view members, so I should see all 49 members mapped here. Okay, and now what we want to do, we want to make Pune as a branch. So what I'll be doing, I will create, let's say, South Pune and one more, so North Pune. I had to make this arrangement because there are so many customers increasing under Pune, so I cannot keep increasing. I need to segregate them further, divide those under this. Now, what I want to do is I want to migrate these customers to South Pune. So again, I'll go back to customer group. From here, I think the same, because whenever I'm making or adding any uh, groups or branches, I need to just set this so that it will make my system considering all new changes. Dummy group, select South Pune, transfer, yes. I can say South Pune 49 dummy group, and branch hierarchy also. This is done. So dummy group is not required now. I can go and delete dummy group. Okay, so in Pune I have this thing. Okay, now once you have created Pune under Goa, I don't think you can remap this to some other branch. Let's try to see if it's possible, but I don't think we can map South Pune, North Pune. Only groups we can search, but branches we cannot search. Okay. Alright, I hope you enjoyed this video. There's a lot you can do using grouping in Joinum software, because once you set up your grouping perfectly, then all your reporting data will get populated as per your branch hierarchy. You can roll up data from your lowest level, that is group, till the highest level. So this group is not deleted. Let's delete this and click save. I think we forgot to click save. Let's try to save branch hierarchy, and that is deleted from here. Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Have a great day.